Having trouble with your AirTalk wireless data, MMS, or 5G LTE connection, it's likely an APN issue. AirTalk Wireless uses AT&T's network, so correct APN settings are crucial. APN stands for Access Point Name, the gateway connecting your device to the mobile network for data services. Common symptoms of incorrect APN settings include a no internet message or failure to send picture messages. Begin troubleshooting by toggling airplane mode on and off. If that doesn't work, reset your network settings in your phone's settings menu. Also check that your SIM card is properly inserted. If problems persist, proceed to the next section for manual APN configuration. If basic troubleshooting didn't work, you'll need to manually enter the APN settings. For Android devices, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Access Point Names. Create a new APN with the following settings. Name AirTalk, AirTalk MSC, HMMSC mobile.a.net, MMS proxy, proxy.mobile.atnet, MS port 80, MCC 410. Leave other fields as default or not set. Save the APN and select it. For iOS, these settings usually configure automatically, but manual configuration is possible through carrier updates. Contact AirTalk support if needed. Incorrect MCC or MNC values can block connectivity, so ensure those are correct. After saving, test your data and MMS. If you still have issues, contact AirTalk support by dialing 611.